KPI panel in Excel, KPI management dashboard in Excel. Do you want to easily and visually track your business's key performance indicators? We have the perfect solution for you. With our template, you will be able to track the progress of your business with KPI Dashboard in Excel. This tool allows you to store and view metrics and KPIs, track your performance, and make informed decisions. Download now and take your business to the next level. Our file includes the following modules. Settings. Easily configure your project name and set percentages. This section was designed to record general project data such as name, start year, and percentage variables. KPIs registration. Register up to 12 indicators according to your criteria and establish the measurement format. In this module, you can register up to 12 KPIs and establish the measurement format. Example number of new leads with measurement format and number. These KPIs will help you simplify monitoring in the following modules. KPIs Data Lock. Enter monthly data for each indicator. According to the KPIs established in the previous module, here you can record the indicators of each KPI. You will have the option to record the data for each month of the year. These KPIs are compared to the previous year. From here, the dashboards for each KPI are generated. KPI Dashboard. Visualize the performance of each KPI with visually appealing charts that make each indicator easy to interpret. This module includes a drop-down list of the 12 previously established indicators with graphs that measure the performance of each of these KPIs. You will be able to consult the monthly performance of each indicator. Example, if you select Return on Investment, ROI, the data for this indicator will appear. Monthly Dashboard. Access general information about each KPI on a monthly and quarterly basis. In this section, you will have the option to consult the performance of each indicator monthly. We give you 2 graph display options so you can select the one you like best. Additionally, we present a report for quarterly consultation. Don't waste any more time gathering and analyzing data tediously. With our KPI management dashboard and Excel template, you'll have all the information you need in one place and in an easy-to-understand format. Download it now and take your business to the next level.
Template available at Solis Enterprises. Visit our website, excelprojectsaj.com.